In this video, we'll demonstrate how to enable JavaScript on Google Chrome, a fundamental step to enable interactive elements on websites. But before we dive into the details, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to customize your browser settings. Please share your thoughts in the comments below, as your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. Open your Google Chrome browser. In the top right corner of the screen, click on the three dots menu icon to access the Chrome menu. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings page, navigate to Privacy and Security on the left panel. Scroll down the page and click on Site Settings. In Site Settings, locate and click on JavaScript under the Content section. To enable JavaScript for all websites in Google Chrome, simply check the option that says Sites can use JavaScript. By enabling this option, you ensure that JavaScript is enabled for all websites, allowing you to experience the full range of interactive features they offer. However, if you wish to enable JavaScript for specific websites, you can do so by clicking on the Add button in the Hello section. Enter the URL of the website for which you want to enable JavaScript and click Add. This option provides you with more control, allowing you to selectively enable JavaScript for particular websites. That's how you can enable JavaScript on Google Chrome. Now, you're all set to enjoy the interactive features on the websites you visit. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials and informative content, be sure to visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. We're here to help you make the most of your online experience.